For the record, navigating at night sucks. It's 6:30 in the morning. So I'm gonna move the boat to Fort Myers Yacht Basin solo. This should be fun. Let's see what happens. Here goes nothing, huh? Right down this canal here, there's still some trees over here. So we'll see what happens. And I can't record, I do apologize, but it's just, I'm solo. My dad's helping me at the end here, hopefully, if it gets down here quick enough. So I will let you know what happens here in a second. I'm stuck right there. So I did get a little stuck, but right at the end of the canal, it's super shallow. Full blast with the motor didn't work, so we tied off the halyard to my dad. We rocked it back and forth and pushed on it until it came free. It took us a good 20-25 minutes. We are moving. I'm not going full blast right now because I don't know about the engine, but this is a good pace. Can you see that? I can't. There it is. Maybe I should leave it on there for character, huh? I'm coming up on the lock, the Franklin lock, going to Fort Myers. I've never been through a lock, so I'm gonna put the phone down and see what happens, but I will let you know here in a second. It was a little bright out, but that wasn't that bad. The lock, the guy was really, really nice. First time going through it, it wasn't that bad. It wasn't as bad as I thought or what I've read online or any of that stuff.
In and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older. When things are going right, you seem to have the time. But when it's hard, you just grow cold up. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good.
Well, made it. And they said it wasn't gonna rain today. So, I don't know. It's probably a good idea that I came here. So, I'm gonna go get checked in and see how that goes. I'm sure these guys are really nice. Well, I'm at Fort Myers Yacht Basin, and I'm running about 2 hours behind. So let's see how today goes. Coming out of the slip by myself wasn't bad at all. I just walked it out and jumped on it and off I go. See you later, Fort Myers. Good job, Predict Wind. I'm doing a great job saying there's not going to be any wind today. None. I call bullshit because yeah, there is some wind out there. If I had sails, I could put them up right now and get through this area probably a little quicker. I'm only doing 5 knots, maybe 6. You guys know what this foam is in the river here outside of Fort Myers? Let me know in the comments below. So I see this foam all the time. I have an idea what it is, but I'm not 100% sure, and I'm not gonna Google it. I'll let you guys let me know what this stuff is. Could be worse, right? I could be stuck on that bridge right now. So, not complaining today. Super nice when you got people with larger boats that actually slow down when they pass you. Common courtesy things becoming more rare and rare. It's ridiculous, really. I know the engine's loud, so I'll make this short, but I just thought I would point that out. So if you're one of these people with a big boat and you want to go fast, cool. But slow down around guys that can't go very fast, huh? And just get around them and then haul butt. So a little common courtesy goes a far, far way. Plus karma's better for you, I think. There's the Gulf of Mexico right there. Okay, Costa's a little north. So I'm getting there slowly but surely. Surely. Yeah, I'm already talking to myself. So I'm about halfway point right now. And I'm already talking to myself because it'd be fun with other people or another person. It'd be fun like that. But by yourself, it's boring. I don't know how you single people do this. The water's becoming a lot clearer. Sanibel there, Cape Costa, and that little boat back there. Dolphins are following it and jumping in the waves right behind it. Pretty cool. Oh, goodbye, Sanibel. I'm on a mission. It's a little chilly. I got to my towel. Well, I'm in Charlotte Harbor, almost to Punta Gorda. I have like maybe another hour and a half left. Problem is this. I tripped down the companionway and the lights that I did have hooked up, it's all a mess. And I can't just stop and try to get it together because it's gonna be dark, and sooner I can get over there, sooner I can get over there, the better. For the record, navigating at night sucks. There's a couple lit buoys, markers out here, and that's if they're working. There's like 2 working. City of Punta Gorda needs to step the game up, especially for being a boating community. Anyway, yeah, have fun. You guys take care. Until next time, we'll see ya.
Follow your heart, baby, don't be shy.